last week we played the BD reversal game. Today we're going to work on capital P and the number 9. Those two are common reversals for kids kindergarten to 2nd grade, and it's important to know the proper formation patterns so that we don't reverse them. So we're going to start with number 9. Number 9 starts at the blue dot. We do a big half circle, bump the dot, and go straight down to form a 9. For our letter P, we start at the blue dot, we make a straight line down, and we jump up to the blue dot and do a half circle bump. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to work on figuring out what are the 9s and what are the capital P's, and we're going to start with the 9s. For the number 9, we're going to use our water and our paintbrush to erase these 9s. So I'm going to get my paintbrush wet. I'm going to start at the blue dot. I'm going to do a big half circle. I'm going to bump that blue dot and come straight down. As you can see, it's going to take a couple repetitions to make it disappear, which is good practice for formation. Big half circle, bump the blue dot, come straight down. For my P, I'm going to work on tracing with that. I'm going to start at the blue dot. I'm going to go straight down, and then I'm going to frog jump up and do a half circle at the top. The game is to figure out what the 9 is and what the P is, and to work on those formation patterns so that we can start to recognize them when they're in print, but also form them correctly so that we don't reverse them. I've made this a little easier because I've done my P's and my 9s in different colors, and I've given the kids the blue starting point with the dot. If your kids are older and they need a bigger challenge, you can make everything the same color and you can remove those dots, but you've got to watch that they do their proper formation patterns because that's the key to not reversing these letters when they write.